Alright guys, so said I would get round to doing this. So this is the LED bar, and it's exactly the same length. There's two models available, but this fits exactly. No need to cutting anywhere. And this is the light bar kit. It's double-sided tape either side. Excuse the hands, didn't bit of DIY. But these two wires go into the brake light here and here. Obviously that's your negative, that's your positive, and it actually fits exactly to the T without any cutting involved. It's double-sided tape on either side, and I'll show you where to mount it. So where you've got your standard brake light bulb, this one here, you wire it on the back of that. So as soon as you turn your power lights on, the bar lights up. So your standard bulb, this one here, plug it in, and I'll show you inside where I mounted it. Okay, as you see here, here's a strip. I left the double-sided on, no need to remove it. And it sits flush underneath the lights, you can see there. So it came in a box like this. It was from Amazon, and I bought two, just in case I screwed that one up. But this is the longer of the two, and obviously it was made in red. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll be adding more bits and pieces on my channel.